Okay, so hi everyone, it's your girl Michelle. You're new here and if not, then welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I got this gorgeous install and did these gorgeous baby hairs. I tried to do kind of like the 3D natural effects on my baby hairs. I don't really know if I got that look. You guys can tell me in the comments what y'all think about the baby hairs, if they're yay or nay. This is me just trying something new. I feel like it's super fun and super cute for summertime. You know, we can have fun with the girls. You don't gotta worry about your baby hair lifting because girl, they meant to lift. You know what I mean? It's giving carefree. So yeah, honestly, I just feel super cute. I want to go take pictures, so that's how cute I feel in this hair. All the information on the hair, of course, will always be in the description box as always. And if you made it and you're listening to this part, be sure to leave a comment. Leave like a white heart or like something like that. Something cute, okay? And yeah, let's jump right on into the video. So far on the wig, all I have done was bleach the knots, which I did over bleach them just a bit, I'm not gonna lie, just a little bit. All right, and then I put the frontal and I pulled out the hairs that I'm thinking of using for the baby hair. I might add a little more, a little less in certain areas, you know, but this is just a rough guideline for me to kind of get started with. Now I'm going to start this process off by doing my ball cap method. So I think you guys all know what the ball cap method is, how to do it, so I'm going to fast forward through this. But if you don't and you're like, wow girl, I want to see how you do it, let me know in the comments and I will make sure I include it in my next hair video. Looking at me right now, hair, no hair, I can take your man here or there. That's what Maya Angelou couldn't even write, you know what I'm saying? Rest her soul. Okay, so now that my ball cap method is all done, I'm jumping right on into installing the wig. Now I put some Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation in Cinnamon 25 on my ball cap, and then I also put it on the lace. However, as you guys can see, this lace is already tinted. Like, it's not a like a transparent lace or a HD lace. It is a already brown tinted lace. All I'm gonna do is just slice it down, see where I need my glue to go, kind of eyeball it. I'm pretty good at eyeballing it, so I don't really need doing marks all over my forehead, cause girl, one of your makeup, not cute, not something I want to be doing. So I'm just going to put some dots, and I'm honestly gonna just install the whole thing all at once today because this wig is kind of easy, so I feel like it won't be hard to install it all at once just because it matches my hairline really nice. Let it dry a little bit, let it dry a little bit. Now it's time for layer 2. Layer 2. Yeah. When my glue is drying, I be feeling like I'm about to be so cute. Honestly, y'all, right now, I already can tell this is about to be a banger. Yeah, it's gonna be a banger. Like, look at these curls. Yeah, it's about to be hot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure all the hairs are up, you know, they ain't trying to sneak down. And I'm gonna just pull the wig on top of the glue. Put the elastic band on top of the hairline where the glue is. All right, y'all, this honestly looks so good already. So I'm gonna go ahead and unclip my hair. All right, and pull down the hair that I already have sectioned off for edges. But first I'm going to just do a rough cut. I'm not even cutting them super short, and that is because we are gonna curl these suckers, okay? And I don't want them to be so short that I can't really properly curl them. Take this little baby curling iron. I suggest using a flat iron. They just kind of move through hair a little bit smoother than curling irons typically do. And I'm going to curl all of the baby hair going upwards. So I'm gonna be taking my foam from the Bronner Bros foam. Y'all, this foam here, this foam right here, I'm telling you, some more, cause they mellow. Get into it, girls, get into it. That's all I can tell y'all, is to get into it. All I can tell y'all is get into it. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love this hair. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Okay, so this is how I ended up leaving my edges. I absolutely love this hair. I decided to do a middle part instead of a side part. It was just, I don't know, the side part wasn't giving like I thought it was giving. So yeah, but I absolutely love this hair. If you guys want to check it out, be sure to check out the links in the description box. It will take you directly to the hair. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions, feel free to, you know, comment them down below and check out some of my other content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.